Hi everyone, my name is Saurabh Asif Chaudhary. Today date is 3rd December 2021 and today's topic name is methods in Java. So in this topic we will discussing about what is the method in Java, method declaration and types of method. So first start with what is a method in Java. Method is a block of code or collection of statement which is used to perform the specific task, and method is used to repeatability of the code, and we can write method once and use it many times. We don't need to write code again and again, and method is executed when we call it. Let's discuss the method declaration. In method declaration there are different parts. First one is access modifier, next is return type, next is method name, and next is argument. So in access modifier means access level of the method. In Java, Java provided four types of access modifier. First one is public, protected, default, and private. So if we can use private access modifier to the method, then this method is accessible within the class. Next is default access modifier. If we can use default access modifier to the method, then this method is used. Access level of this method is within the class, outside the class, within the package. And if we can use protected access modifier to the method, then access level of the method is within the class, outside the class, within the package, outside the package with child class. If we don't provide any child class, then this is not accessible outside the package. Next is public access modifier. If we can use public access modifier to the method, then this method is accessible within the class, outside the class, within the package, outside the package. Next is return type. Return types means if we provide return type, then this method is return something. If we can, this method is return integer value, then return type of the method is int. If this method is return string value, then this method return type is string. If this method doesn't return anything, then the return type of the method is void, means the method doesn't return anything. Next is method name. Method name means it is a unique name from which method is called. If we can call this method from outside the class, then from this unique name we can call this method. Next is argument. In argument we can pass the name of the variable and data type of the variable. If we can want to pass the int num is equals to 10, then we can only pass the int num. Int is the data type of the variable and num is the name of this variable. And next is method body. In method body we can write the code or block of statement which is used to perform the specific task. Let's discuss the different types of methods used in Java. There are two types of method. First one is predefined method and second one is user defined method. Predefined method means the method which is already defined in the Java library class. This is called as predefined methods. In predefined methods are compared to, equal to. These are the methods are predefined. And user defined method means user can define the method and this method is called as user defined methods. Next is method types. In Java there are another four types of method. First is parameterized method with return type, parameterized method with non-return type, and non-parameterized method with return type, and non-parameterized method with non-return type. What is meant by parameterized method with return type? If we can pass method contain argument and return type, then this method is called as parameterized method with return type. If method contain pass argument and doesn't return anything, then this method is called as parameterized method with non-return type. Next is non-parameterized method with return type. If we can pass does not pass any argument and the method is return something, then this method is called as non-parameterized method with return type. And last is non-parameterized method with non-return type, means we can doesn't pass any argument and the method doesn't return anything, then this method is called as non-parameterized with non-return type. This is the types of the methods in Java, and this is the all about the information about the methods in Java. Thank you.